This is Gigi from Gigi's Retirement Budgets. So now we are on step 3 of the money plan. Now, this might get a little confusing as I was thinking about this because it's a 6-part framework, but there's multiple steps to the framework within those 6 parts. So the 6 parts are, there are 6 parts to the framework. And the acronym is RETIRE, the Retire Money Plan. So it's your resources, your essentials, your tracking, your intentional living, your reserves, and your enjoyment and legacy. Okay, those are the 6 parts. But like within making your money plan, there's multiple steps. Okay, so let me just recap real quick where we've gone and where we're going. So step 1 was doing your monthly money plan, as far as putting down all your paychecks, writing down all your bills on their due dates and the amounts, and then highlighting, color coding each paycheck and which bills you're going to pay. And that's going to help you do your money plan for each paycheck going forward. All right. So that's step 1. Step 2 was we did our intentional living sheet, which is going to help us align our money plan for the month with our values and our goals. Okay, so that was step 2. Now, once you do those 2 things, now you can start doing your paycheck money plans. I only get paid twice a month. I get paid at the beginning of the month for my retirement paycheck, and I get paid the second Wednesday of every month for my Social Security. So those are the only 2 paycheck money plans I'm going to do. So the first one you're going to do, so I will do 3 a month. I will do my monthly money plan, and then I will break it out into my retirement and my Social Security. So you will do your monthly plan that will have all your resources, okay, every paycheck on it, all your essentials, no matter when you pay it, no matter when you get it. This is the monthly overview. So then you're going to put all your resources, you're going to put all your essentials, you're going to put all the debt that you need to pay this month, all your variable expenses, and then anything for savings, sinking funds, challenges, etc. here. So for me, I only get Social Security and military retirement, so I don't have a lot to put on here. So I always put rollover. And this month I had a rollover of, well, in November to December, I had a rollover amount of $290. And that was basically my leftover Christmas money that I still had, that I took out of my high yield savings account and moved it to my checking. And then I get my military retirement paycheck, which right now is 1228, which is going up 2.8% on January 1st. Excited about that. And then I get my Social Security paycheck, which is $1737, which I am also going to be getting a raise of 2.8%, which I am super excited about. All right. Hopefully I cannot see my camera. Hopefully this is all still in the screen. It's so frustrating when I tape, when I film something and let's say it's 15, 20 minutes long, and then I go back and edit it, and I'm talking about something that's not even on the screen, or it's frustrating. And I know it's frustrating for you too, and I'm sorry. Okay, why is this not, come on. Is my light not bright enough for this? Maybe it's not working. There we go. All right, is this too bright? Oh, okay. I'm gonna hear the kittens. I have them locked up in their crate again because they're just all over my desk when I'm up here filming. So one of them's being a pain right now. He's crying because it's so horrible. It's like chillax and take a nap. All right, so that's 3255. Okay. Now this is all my monthly bills. It's not split up by paycheck. So my rent is $590. My PG&E this month is $37. That is the lowest I think it has ever been in my life. Okay, it's not $37 a month. It's split 4 ways. So it's like $148. I think that's the lowest it's been. Definitely the lowest it's been since we've lived here. We've lived here almost 7.5 years. Yeah, that's just crazy. And on the front page of PG&E, which is our electric company up here in Northern California, it says that in March, I think, the rates are going down even more. So super excited about that because that means more money can go towards savings and investments. Garbage went up to 30. That went up. And then I also had to pay my part of the rent for my daughter. Okay. So that is $590 plus 37 plus 36 plus 130 plus. So I just realized, because I redid this to put the categories to match the retire money plan. And essentials are your housing, your utilities, your food, your transportation, and your health care. And I usually put my car here, and then like gas and groceries and things like that go here. And then I put my medical, my health care in a sinking fund. So I have it all over the place. So I just realized I'm going to have to start putting these all in here. So let's try it now. So I also have a PG&E payment plan of $8. My car and insurance, it's basically my insurance, went up to $560. It was $500 because I got a little fenda benda. And then my gas is $200 a month, and groceries is $400 a month. And then my medical, well, that barely all fits. It's $58 a month. All right, so it's the first time I'm doing it this way. So let's see. It's going to be an astronomical number that I am not used to seeing. So I may go into shock for a second, but I know it all works out the same. Wow. Woo! Whoops. So I went from about $663 in that column to $2,019 in that column. But that's fine because then these two columns will be less, right? I am on so this is my debt, a CA tax plan, payment plan, $69 a month. And then I have, I don't really have any place on here to put my business expenses. So I always put them on under variable. I need to fix this. I have a typo. I always put them under variable expenses just because I don't have any other place to put them. Maybe I should break this out and put variable in the business. I don't know. Because I need this to work for everybody. So I have Canva. I have my cell. I have Systemio, which went up. I bumped it up because I needed some more stuff. So I think it's 47 now. School. I have 2 communities I just started for $9 each. ByteDance, which is CapCut to edit my videos. HP all-in-one plan is $39. And I think that's it. So this is 69. And then this is 13 plus 60 plus 47 plus 18 plus 10 plus 39. 187. All right. So once you have your resources, your essentials, your debt, your variable expenses, which these are just my business expenses. The only variable expenses I really have are my gas and my groceries. Well, I guess you could PG&E, but that stuff goes under essentials now. So 3255 minus 2019 minus 69 minus 187 equals $980 for my cash envelopes. Sinking funds. And like I said, I'm not really doing any savings and investments short of what I'm not going to spend in my cash envelopes. Getting sick really helps you save money. I was down and out for 5 days. And then Saturday, I was feeling better. And so I told my daughter I had to go run some errands. So I went to the bank. I got cash out for my military paycheck, which was already like 5 days, 6 days overdue. And, I stuffed my wallet. I didn't even film that. Stuffed my wallet. And then I went to the gas station because I needed gas. And even though I didn't go anywhere, my daughter used my car all week to drive back and forth to work. And then I went to Walmart because I had to get kitty litter and kitty food. And, after we went and got gas, we went out to breakfast. We went to this little, really cool coffee place. They serve breakfast and stuff. And we went there. Then we went to Walmart to get kitty litter and kitty food. And about halfway through Walmart, I started feeling really sick. And I just went downhill from there. And so we got out of Walmart. I told her, I said, I don't want to look around. I don't want anything. I just want to get the kitty litter and the kitty food and go. So we went. Then I had to go over to Home Goods because I discovered that they sell bully sticks there, pretty good, decent sized pieces in a pretty decent sized bag for $6.99 a bag. So I got the last two. And they have so many cute things in there. And I'm like, I can't look around. We got to go. And then I had to go over to Costco to get dog food. And at that point, I had to go in with her because it was my card. But I went in, I scanned my card. I went and sat in the food court. And then she went in the back and got the dog food and paid for it and everything. And I told her, I said, just if they question why the picture doesn't match or who you are, just say my mom's sitting over there. She doesn't feel good. And then I came home, and then I think I took like a 3-hour nap. I was like wiped out. But yeah, being sick definitely helps you save money because you are not shopping. Okay, so that is my money plan for the month. Then the next step is you want to plan each paycheck. So my next video, I am going to be planning my military retirement paycheck. All right. Love, Gigi and Lavender.